So I have hard body shelled kayaks now, okay? I did have inflatable kayaks before. It was terrible. They were more like rafts, and I was like Shamu in the water. It was not a good experience. Trust me. But what we're gonna do now is not just talk about these great kayaks, but I found a way that is easy to actually get them up on the car. Well, it's supposed to be. We're about to find out. To get them up on the car and down and haul them to the water and back by myself. Let's go see how it turns out. Roll the intro. What is up, you guys? It is Brooke with RVwithBrookieB. Usually I'm talking about RVs, but I also talk about some other things, like today, kayaks. Yeah, so I'm very excited. I finally was able to get kayaks, like hard shell body kayaks. Like, they're not fancy pants kayaks, but they're good enough for me and my kiddo, okay? So what I learned very quickly was how difficult it is to hoist them up on top of my vehicle. Yeah, that was a flipping nightmare, okay, let me tell you. So what I'm excited about is not just the kayaks, but I'm actually excited about after I experienced one time what it was like lifting kayaks to the roof of my Jeep. Not a fun experience. Yeah. After I experienced that one time, never again. That's right. Immediately, I came home, started searching Amazon, and found ways to lift kayaks by yourself on top of a vehicle, and I got two, and actually haul it down to wherever you're going to launch it from. And I got two different items that I'm going to do a review of, okay? Both of them were actually super simple to put together, so yay on that. But I'm actually going to see if these items work for me to be able to carry the kayak by myself and also be able to hoist it up and down off of my vehicle. We're going to find out. So first I have to go and get the items. And sorry, the lawn guys decided to start cutting the lawn right when I started recording. Of course they did. So just ignore that in the background. Okay. So what we have to do first is we actually have to go to the shed. Yeah, it's like where all great things go to die. That's what the shed is. So this is item number one. It's a kayak cart. Okay, I'm supposed to be able to put it on the bottom of my kayak, the end of my kayak, whatever it's called. I'm new to this, so still learning the terms. But I'm supposed to be able to stick half the kayak, the back end on this sucker, and it's supposed to help me be able to carry it on my own. And the other item that I purchased just came in the mail yesterday, and that's actually inside. Gonna go grab that too, and we're gonna take a little journey out to my vehicle and see if we can't hoist these things up and down, okay? Both of these literally took me seconds to put together. So I'm absolutely loving that. This is like half a millisecond. This is like a half a millisecond, even probably less than that. Yeah, great. Win. Okay, another thing I'm already liking is that just with one hand, I can pick up both of these things. This is the lift assist and the actual cart to carry the kayak once I'm able to lift it off of the Jeep. So that's a win. I have literally waited hours to come out here and try to finish this, and they are still out here doing the lawn. What you're going to want to do though is make sure you secure this extremely well, okay? Trust me, from experience, I had both of my kayaks fall off of my car because I didn't strap them around together. Yeah, won't make that mistake again. Make sure you know how to secure your kayaks. Maybe that'll be another video later. I learned the hard way.